hit that next target. And I mentioned VSTO, Vista Outdoor Incorporation, a company in the consumer cyclical sector. And I mentioned off the symmetrical triangle in my previous video, breakdown sell signal, get out of your longs, short trade setup, dollar cost average, and that was good for a 24.69% crash here, and really start to get bitten up where it whipsawed off my 2704 price support here. We'll see if it carries on tomorrow. It looks really bad. We had that potential divergent low where we had potential RSI divergence, bullish RSI divergence. Looks like we could start to eat that out, and I laid out two more targets. If you're going here for the home run, 2339 price support, 2172 price support, and 1871 price support. Those are the next key levels in my opinion to watch. And again, this level is pretty big in my opinion, only because not only the multiple continuous reactionary lows and highs that help validate this 2704, but really would just burn out any potential positive divergence that we could have had and or crossover on the MACD and oscillator. Once they go to get burned out, that's when we'll have maybe a potential swifter move down to that 2339 price support for another 11% drop. So anything's possible. Huge at volume out price out indicator around this range. So you know, a ton of the masses had purchased this stock around that $41, $35 to $41 range, and we got again huge gap at volume and at price indicator up in this range. And again, that's where I can predict some of these you know, larger drops to go really quickly. You know, so we can delete this out. This definitely has that flag pattern, but definitely won't measure out. But again, that's the measurement. Break that 2704 will just take us on most likely that 2339 price support. So we'll see what happens. Fundamentals are there, especially if the Republicans take the midterms and have a complete sweep of the House and the Senate. We'll start to see especially gun manufacturers start to sell off as it starts to ease fear and taking any of the firearms away when it comes to the Democratic side in the political arena when they're running for office. Then there's a fear for some of their Second Amendment rights, and then that's where you get these huge rallies here in the gun stocks. So we'll see what happens. Keep you updated if I see any more significance. Hit that like, subscribe button on your way out.